It is another weekend, another new releases that's just been released by Netflix this past weekend. Let's discuss some of the few things that you can watch if you want to. Let's go. Alright, Bafezo, before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and the bell button to notifications whenever I drop these reviews. So firstly, let's discuss a movie, Locked In, that just came out on Friday on Netflix. Look, it's a beautiful movie. In a nutshell, because we have to discuss like 3 shows. The movie is just about indaba yomcebo, ayikho enye into. Alright? Usisi lona washada umlisa othile, lo mlisa leyo unendodana. And then it so happened ukuthi umlisa mayishona yonke into eshela undodana. And then in the whole process kanti lo sisi lona kuzovela kufike umshana, if I might say, womunye intombazana othile nje ontanga wakhe lo mfana lo. Uma efika lo sisi lona stays in with them, and then all of a sudden avele ashade nalo mfana lo ngohamba kwesikhathi bekhulile. So that means manje wonke lo mcebo lwathi walo mfana usushintshile usuka lo ntombazana. Lo mama lo avele acasuke ibhata singeke phela. Ngeke ngwazi lakhe lo mcebo. You need to watch the movie because we want the conclusion of the show. It's actually quite nice. It's a very short show. It's like 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it's not going to take much of your time. And then mase siqhubekela siya kwi documentary eka Sylvester Stallone, uSly. Man, this is such a documentary. It reveals everything that we have not seen ngempilo ka Sylvester Stallone, how it all started, where it all started, umndeni wakhe, ingane zakhe, unkosikazi wakhe. I mean, I didn't even know ukuthi lo mlisa lona unengazi amantombazana bandla, and wawalahlelwa ingane yomfana a few years back. I think it was 2012. Ingane yakhe yazalwa ngo-1976. Besides that, he actually did write and produce. We get to see milestones that he has been through, what he has been through between himself and his dad, because abazali bakhe bahlukana bebe u2 baba bafana, and then wahamba ohlala nobaba wakhe yena, and then omunye umfowabo bazoqhubeka ehlala nobani noma wakhe. But it's such a nice documentary. Bafethu nakhona nayo, I think it's 1 hour and a few minutes. Bafethu ibukeni imnandi. All of this is ngikhuluma ngazo the weekend. Can you imagine? And then we have a limited series A Light That We Cannot See. A limited series lena is loosely based around isikhathi sokuphela kwe-World War II in the 1944s. So if you go to uyayilandela umlando we-World War II, at that time ama-Nazi aseqala ethatha imicebo yamazwe ayewa-invadile. And in this series baveza umcebe abawulandelayo in France. And lo ntombazana he is a main character, ubaba wakhe wayesebenza emuseum, and ama-Nazi believed ukuthi he had a jewel or a diamond eyayiseqophelelwe phezulu kuthiwa inemlingo. But not necessarily inemlingo. You are not watching Harry Potter, but it's just a superstition. Lo ntombazana ke loyo impuputha kaboni, and abaleke nobaba wakhe, ubaba wakhe naye apho amshiya lapho amshiya khona, aphuma inkala athi ufuna ukudidisa umkhondo lama-Nazi ukuze angamtholi, and then eventually agcina semtholile bandla. Lo ntombazana aqhubeke kahlala lapho ehlala khona nomalume wakhe nani ama-Nazi agcina selandela yena ukwafuna ukwazi ukuthi ungakephi. And kulula ukuthola umkhondo wakhe balose sesimanje ngoba engaboni. She is broadcasting on the radio at night kwi-channel ethile in the frequency, and bayamlandela lapho ngoba they've got trackers and what not, ama-Nazi ubeza ukuthi kanti kahle le signal iphuma kephi nendawo. Sesifike ekugcineni ekhulumeni ngey'nhlelo eziphumile ku-Netflix from this past Friday. Okunye nto kwesoqhubeka sikhulume phakathi neviki. Ngingakhohlwa bafisa ngicelile, don't forget to subscribe khona sizokwazi ukukhuluma ngamanye ama-shows, not just ama-daily shows, ama-soap lawa la TV, but everything in general, ukuze sibone ukuthi sabelana kanjani. If you have anything to say or something to recommend or suggest, ningishayele ama-comments bafisa khona sizokwazi sikhulume phela ngabe sesingaba sesakhuluma ndawonye. Okay, thank you for the time and your patience bafethu.